Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very simple attack effect. This guy is shooting these projectiles. And this is very basic effect I created today, and I will create it from scratch so you can learn better how to download model from site, how to use that animation, how to create composite and link your effects. So uh, let's create this effect. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. My link is in the description and my handle is CGHOW_. Okay, so I have this empty folder anime effects, and from Mixamo I will download an animation. So I have this character selected from characters. The name is here and for MR, and then I can find an animation. I'll go to fantasy. It has some cool effects. So let's just take this first one, and one by one we can cover lots of animation in my tutorial series of this anime effects. So I'll just take this one and just download this. So it is downloading. I'm just pausing this video. So it is downloaded now, and I will import it here. I'll create a folder anime, and then inside this I will import that from my download folder. And we need animation, so we need to tick this exported time and just import all. So animation is imported. You can see here material is not showing because okay, I forgot to click on that material part. So I'll show you again. Actually, if you import this, if we import your animation like this, with animation in here, I have this material. I am selecting do not create, but now I need this material and import all. So now I have imported, and you can see this animation with materials. There is some issue in material. This is by default transparent. You need to make it opaque, and you can use double side if you want. I'll just save it. So now you can see this properly. So I'll create a map, new level, this basic, and save this map to my anim effects folder. Okay, so here we have this map, and now in this animation I'll right click and create a composite, and I'll move this composite out of this folder. So we have here our animation anim fx 01, and you can just drag it here into the viewport. Okay, I will make this light darker so we actually